What is this one?
I can make some room right back over here for you.
What is
It's
that?
a senior bug, and it can fly with wings.
It does have wings.
See? I told you. Can you see my finger?
Let's see. Yes, I can. Can you see it?
This is safer for you.
Is it big or little?
Big. Can you see my whole hand?
I can only see part of your finger. You look and see.
Why? Do you see that white on there?
Then we will leave.
Yes.
You don't see any bugs?
There's no bugs.
There's bugs right there. You want to see this one after that one and that one?
All right.
Is it upside down?
What do you think?
Upside down.
Here's an arrow that tells you put it in like the arrow.
Ask. Why don't we have us make it? Sorry, Tyler. Are you playing with this? Okay, I'm going to pull you back just a little bit.
Want to see this one?
Yes. He has a little tiny body and skinny, long legs.
Nice job.